Hello viewers, there's a good news to all of you who want to join Shomu's Biology online coaching, but with the money constraint you always think about the fees that is out there to join Shomu's Biology online coaching. This is a good news to all of you because Shomu's Biology online coaching is offering 17 to 25% discount on the online coaching program fee. 17 से 25% की ऑफर में अगर आपको कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना है, इफ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन आवर कोचिंग प्रोग्राम from 17 to 25% up to 25% off for this upcoming session of CSIR online coaching life science program, then watch this video because in this video I'm going to tell you how you are going to exactly get it and कैसे करना है, किस हिसाब से ज्वाइन करना है, जल्दी ज्वाइन करना है, otherwise the offer will run out. What are the features that you are going to expect from Shomu's Biology online coaching? हमारे कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना है तो कौन कौन से फीचर आपको मिलेंगे. शोमुस बायोलॉजी ऑनलाइन कोचिंग फॉर CSIR लाइफ साइंस इज ऑल इन इंग्लिश मीडियम. ऑल्दो यू कैन आस्क योर क्वेरीज इन हिंदी. अगर किसी को हिंदी में क्वेरी पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं. आई विल आंसर द क्वेरी इन हिंदी, बट द टॉपिक्स विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन इंग्लिश एंड इंग्लिश ओनली. नाउ व्हाट आर द थिंग्स, व्हाट आर द फैसिलिटीज दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट फ्रॉम शोमुस बायोलॉजी ऑनलाइन कोचिंग? I'm just going to tell you about the facilities that we provide. Now it's plus we have dedicated biology math problem lecture series separately conducted. That is our exclusivity that we have. We have PYQ explanations at the end of every single lectures. We have previous year's questions, part C questions explained. You can ask anyone who has taken coaching from us that we answer and explain PYQ at the end of every single lecture. We have study guide videos to guide you to understand what to do, what not to do to prepare every single unit of the CSIR Life Science examination. We have test series. We have unit tests for every single unit and we have grand mock tests. Okay, so 2 to 3 grand mock tests you are going to get. You are going to get part A tests. There will be 2 separate paper 1 tests as well. So total 17 tests you are going to get included in this coaching package. And you have hard copy books. We provide 4 hard copy books delivered to your doorstep. You don't need to pay anything extra. Once you pay the amount for the coaching, all included. Hard copy books. These 4 books: Blueprint of Life Science book, green, red and yellow book, and this PYQ answer explanation book. These 4 books will be delivered to your address. Shipping is on us. You don't need to provide for the shipping. So all these things are included. And the biggest USP that you are going to get is the validity of all the lectures which will be saved. The saved version of the lectures inside the application. Okay. The book's validity obviously lifetime. The saved of the lectures, all the study guide videos, all the test series answer explanation PDFs. The validity is of 2 years. Now many people might think this, may not think about this 2 years validity. They say that we don't want validity, 2 years validity, we want 6 months and all. Please understand one thing. Only 1% people qualify NET in one go. In one go you may not qualify NET. If you qualify, that is the best thing and we will try our best to do that. But if you fail to qualify, after 6 months all the materials will be gone and you need to pay extra again for the coaching. But in our case, we don't charge that because we know that 2 years is the actual optimum time frame for anyone's preparation for the exam. So the validity of the recorded version of the lectures, the PYQ explanations, the test series explanations, PDFs under the application will be there for 2 years. Validity set. Now we also provide this facility separately. So for the separate validity, like these lectures, PYQ explanations, study guide videos, for all this is a package worth 10,990 at our website. It is available to buy separately as a recorded version. Test series we conduct separately. The price is 3,500. Hard copy books we sell separately. The price is 3,900. So now imagine what is the total amount adding all of them together. So that's approximately 11,000 plus 4, 15,000 plus 3, 18,500. So near about 18,500, approximately 18,500 rupees is the total cost if you want to buy individual packages separately. But if you join coaching at once, this fee is reduced directly to only 15,200. Instead of 18,500, you only need to pay 15,200. And in this amount, you are not only getting, you are getting the interactive lectures, you are always getting the doubt clearing from me directly, direct contact with me. You'll have my WhatsApp number, you'll have my phone number. There is no middleman here. You have direct contact with me regarding any doubt, any problems throughout the preparation phase. Now, one more thing that I want to tell you is regarding an offer that we always provide every single session, that's called early bird discount. Now, the total fees here is 15,200, but now if you pay first 20 candidates, for first 20 candidates, we also slash the price from 15,200 to only 13,900 rupees. This is the least, this is the minimum price that we offer a coaching with hard copy books delivery service at your address. None of the facilities are compromised. Remember, if we provide an offer like this, none of the facilities are compromised. If you pay 15,200, that is the normal fee. But now for first 20 candidate for this upcoming exam, upcoming NET examination, you are going to get this benefit for the June 2025 upcoming examination. First 20 candidates will be offered with only a price of 13,900. None of the facilities will be compromised. You will get all the facilities, but for much cheaper price, that is 13,900. So if you want to get this offer, grab this offer, get in the list of 20 candidates to pay 13,900 at once. You need to pay 13,900 at once to get this offer. And the admission is going on, and there are almost 200 inquiries already we have received. So among them 20 candidates will be filled just like that. So if you want to join in this price range, please hop in and join fast. Now regarding the, if this is not enough to decide whether you want to join our coaching or not, you might want to see the demo recordings. Then the demo version is available. The link for the demo version is there in the description of this video. You can click that and see that. And also regarding the reviews of our coaching, you can find it out in the Google, you can find it out in the video sections as well. I'll put the link there as well. And also at the end of the video, I'll put some video reviews of our students and coaching students, what they feel, how they feel, and what they think about this. And there is no holds barred actually. You can ask your seniors, you can ask your colleagues, you can ask your juniors, you can ask anyone who has ever taken any coaching from us regarding the way of services that we offer, the way that we offer, the type of services that we offer, the quality of services that we offer. Obviously go through all this and then decide, but decide wisely whether you choose us or you choose any other coaching. It's your choice ultimately, but do not waste your money. If you put 5,000 rupees for a junk quality material, for a junk quality coaching, that's not worth it. But paying even 20-30,000 rupees, no quality education, worth it. Remember that always. It's not the money game. जितना गुड़ दोगे उतना ही मीठा होगा, जितना चीनी दोगे उतना ही मीठा होगा. ये चीज वही है, जितना पेमेंट है उसके हिसाब से सर्विस मिलता है. इंडिया है ये. यहाँ पे आपको सब दिखाया जाएगा कि आपको इतना कम प्राइस में यहाँ मिला, ये मिलेगा, वो नहीं मिलेगा. एडटेक कंपनियां क्या करते हैं कि वहां पे every single month the teachers will change. So you will not get a oversome idea of preparation, जो कि यहाँ पे मिलेगा. So it's ultimately your decision, but if you want to grab this offer, join early.
So I'm really thankful for Shomu's Biology, and I would suggest everyone to go for it.
A lot of help and support by Suman sir, always remembered in my mind.
The study materials I got helped me to understanding the topic very well, and the test series helped me to covering up the syllabus in a perfect time.
This is all because of the online test series.
In-depth knowledge what Shomu's Biology gave me. I want to thank Shomu Biology. I want to thank each and every member of Shomu's Biology for their effort, whatever they are putting on us.
And I am very much happy to choose Shomu sir for my CSIR NET GRF journey.
Really leveled up my preparation. I was confident on the day of exam.
The classes helped me a lot to understand my subject from very basics to advanced level.
So I really thanks Shomu sir and also ma'am for always guiding me.